Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ajay from Networkers Home Technical Team. So as in previous video, we had seen the deployment of your FTD in the ESXi. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to show you how you will create different VLANs in the ESXi for your FTD. Like in FTD, you are going to have different zones, right? You're going to have inside zone, outside zone, DMZ management, right? So how will you create dedicated VLANs in the ESXi for all these zones? And then also I'll show you how to attach these VLANs with the FTD. So let's start with the video. So here on the screen, you can see that I'm already having my ESXi opened. Now here what I need to do, I have to go to the networking part. So in the networking part, I'll go here, and here I can see I have the option for port groups. So these port groups are what? These are the VLANs. Okay, so I'm going to say add a port group, and I'm going to name this port group as, let's say for example, one is FTD Insight. Okay, and the VLAN ID that I will assign to it, let's say I'll assign it VLAN ID 10. Okay, then to avoid communication issues, what I'll do, I'll just accept all the securities. Okay, so this like promiscuous mode and everything I'll accept here. I'll click on add. So okay, name has been wrong, so let's go and edit the settings. This is FTD. Save it. Then the next thing, you'll say add port group again, and the second port group that we will go with is FTD, and let's say this one is outside. Okay, and VLAN, we can keep it 20 here. Accept the security. Add. This is done. Then we will say another port group, which is for DMZ. So FTD DMZ. VLAN ID here, we will keep it 30, and accept the promiscuous mode MAC address changes and force transmits. Click on add. Again, add port group, and this one is for management. So I'll say FTD management, and I'll give it VLAN 40. Then I'll accept it. I'll say add. So you can see my 4 different VLANs, management, DMZ, outside and inside, are ready. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to go and attach these particular VLANs with the FTD. Okay, so let's start with the attaching part. So now the next thing you have to do is you have to go to your FTD. You have to click on the edit, and after clicking on edit, you will go and select the interfaces. Okay, so first interface is your management interface, so I'll add it to the FTD management. Then the second interface is about inside, that is Z0 by 0. Then Z0 by 1, I'll keep it as DMZ interface, and Z0 by 2, I'll keep it as an outside interface. Okay, so here this adapter number 1 is management, then Z0 by 0, 0 by 1 and 0 by 2. Once this thing is done, you can save it. Okay, and now your VLANs are successfully attached with the FTD. So if you find this information helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.